Welcome to day 15, the third creative day. First of all, I want to give you guys a round of applause on making it halfway through the course. Yes, you guys are 50% of the way through the 30 Days Lost in Space Adventure Kit. Congratulations on making it halfway. You've got only, 50% more to go. I've decided to mix today's creative day up a bit. Normally, I would give an easy and a hard example or hard project, but today I'm going to go back to the lesson from day 14. I have a wonderful project for you guys to work on. Do you remember the bool validate pin function from yesterday on day 14? Currently, there's a small security flaw with it. As soon as an incorrect button is pressed, it will exit the function and return an error. Well, that makes it really easy now to guess which of the numbers that was pressed or which part of the pin is wrong. So you just can guess 1 through 9 until it goes through to the second pin, and then you can know, okay, so the first pin is, in this case, 4, or whatever you want it to be. And then the second pin is up, error, up, error, up, error. Oh, the second pin's 6. Well, that's easy now. So it makes it really easy to brute force. That makes it a pretty insecure system, even though we've added in this additional security system. So what we want to make it do is instead, we should make it so it doesn't print an error until all 4 numbers are typed in, so they don't know which number was bad. Of course, you're also open to do your own project if you so desire. That is totally, absolutely always on the table. Once you're done, share on inventor.io/Facebook with the hashtag CreativeDay15. I am once again looking forward to seeing what you come up with, and if you run into any issues, hit up your fellow inventors in the Facebook group at inventor.io/Facebook. Thank you guys.